and colleagues. This is Brian with the Pharmacy Inspection Podcast, and we're recording live from Compounders on Capitol Hill in the Encore Scientific booth. We appreciate you joining us. We're going to do a quick little promo for our friends over at Vitae Industries who've developed 3D technology.
Hi, Brian. Janine here at Vitae at CCH 2018, demoing our beta printer, which is currently producing a starch-based gummy in about 150 milligrams of final mass. They're a placebo formulation, so normally you would enter a dose for the drug that's contained. So, for instance, these would be about a 1.5 milligrams of a drug that would be inserted at about a 1% loading. So it's printed about one row. It's working on the second one right now, and it just continues on like this until it finishes the 60 that I asked it to produce. The way to get it started, of course, we have an empty syringe from earlier today. Normally, you'd fill this up with a drug dosage form formulation and put it into the holder, pop it in, and then in our software, tell us what drug you're making, tell us which strengths. You can make multiple. You can imagine making a different strength for each row if you so desired, all at the click of a button. So really hope that people check out the machine online at vitaeindustries.com. Pilots will be available this fall.